Let's take a look at this Ireland 3040 machine, the Viagra type 3040 machine, including the 3350 model, and how to disassemble the laser casing. On each side here, there are a lot of screws. We need to remove all these screws. There are 4 screws on the top as well. The other side is the same with the same number of screws. Remove all of them, take them all off. After removing them, we can pry the cover outwards a bit and push it downwards. Yes, push it downwards so that it can be taken off. Alright. This is the process for removing the laser cover. The installation is the same. When installing, we need to pry it outwards a bit as well. Otherwise, inside here, there's a black protective rubber. So we need to pry it outwards a bit and then put it in. After putting it in, don't press it down right away. First, align the notch at the front, and once it's properly aligned, then press it down. Alright, now that the 4 notches on top are aligned, that's good. Let's install the screws.